Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a SaaS dashboard with Supabase and no code, full guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Supabase website. Create a new project by signing up or logging in. Choose a name for your project and select your preferred database region. Once the project is initiated, head to the Supabase dashboard. In the sidebar, find and select the database section. Click on Table Editor to create your first table. Name your table based on the data you wish to manage. Define the columns you need, such as title, description, and status. Adjust the data types accordingly for each column. After setting up your columns, save the table. Next, navigate to the API section in the dashboard. Copy the API URL and the anon key provided. Open your preferred no-code tool, such as Adalo or Glide. Create a new project and connect it to Supabase using the copied API details. Set up your data source by importing the tables you created. Design the dashboard interface by dragging and dropping components. Bind the components to the data fields from Supabase. Add any necessary filters or sorting options to enhance user experience. Utilize any available no-code features to implement user authentication if required. Preview the dashboard to test functionality and data integration. Make adjustments as needed based on the preview results. Once satisfied, publish your dashboard within the no-code platform. Share the link or embed the dashboard as desired. Congratulations! You've successfully built a SaaS dashboard using Supabase and no-code tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.